In this video, we'll be practicing the order of operations and exploring various expression problems. So let's begin with a quick review of the order of operations. So remember the acronym PEMDAS. Of course, P is parentheses, E is exponents, M is multiplication, D is division, A is addition, and S is subtraction. So we have to remember this when we solve more problems like this one. So first we have 6 plus 2 in the parentheses multiplied by 3 squared minus 4 times 7 minus 3. So in this problem, you have to start with the parentheses, and we have two of them. So for the first one, we do 6 plus 2, which gets 8. The second one, we have 7 minus 3, and we get 4. So we can rewrite this as 8 times 3 squared minus 4 times 4. And then we get 8 times 9 minus 4 times 4. And since you have two multiplication problems now, we just do them. So 8 times 9 is 72, and 4 times 4 is 16. So 72 minus 16, we just get 56, and that's the correct answer for this one. So for another one, let's try 5 times 2 plus 2 squared divided by 4 minus 7. And so for this one, we have to start with parentheses again. So 2 plus 2, we get 4. And next we have the exponent 2 on the 4 that we just got. So 5 times 4 squared divided by 4 minus 7. So the 4 times 4 is equal to 16. And then we just have 5 times 16 divided by 4 minus 7. So we do the 5 times 16 first, since it's first from left to right. 16 times 5 equals 80. And then we divide that by 4 and subtract 7 to get the answer. So 80 divided by 4 is equal to 20. And then minus 7, we get 13. That's the correct answer for this one. Okay, now let's try something that's a bit more challenging. So first we get 3 plus 2 times 4 minus 1 squared divided by 5 plus 6. So first we start with the parentheses again, and this time it's 4 minus 1, we get 3. So it's 3 squared divided by 5 plus 6, 3 plus 2 times. And then so we do 3 squared because that's the exponent, and we get 9. But for this one, you have to do 9 divided by 5, which we don't get like a correct answer first. So we have to do 2 times 9 first, and then do divided by 5. So 2 times 9 is equal to 18. And 18 divided by 5 is equal to 3.6. So we do 3 plus 3.6 plus 6. So 3 plus 6 is 9. And then 9 plus 3.6, that equals 12.6. That's the correct answer. Okay, let's try a different type of problem now. So for what combination of 4, 7, and 2 can we get that equals 36? The first option, we have 4 plus 7 in parentheses times 2. That's option number 1. Number 2, we have 4 times 7 divided by 2. Third option we have 4 times 7 plus 2. Last option, we have 4 times 7 minus 2. Okay, so we can do all these individually and try to find the answer. So for the first one, we have to do the parentheses first. So 4 plus 7, that equals 11. And multiply that by 2, we get 22. For the next one, we have 4 times 7 divided by 2 again, we have to start with the parentheses. So we do 4 times 7, we get 28. Divide that by 2, we get 14. For the next one, we do the parentheses first again. So 7 plus 2, that equals to 9. And then we do 4 times 9. That equals 36, which is the correct answer. So let's make sure that this is the correct answer and that the last one is wrong. So 4 times 7, we do that because it's the parentheses. That equals to 28. Then 28 minus 2 equals 26. So these are all wrong. And 3 is the correct answer. Okay, now let's try another one. So first, we have to find what expression is 5 times greater than 10 less than 40. So 5 times greater than 10 less than 40. So 10 less than 40. So what would that equal to? That would be 40 minus 10. From these options, let's try to find the answer. So the first option is 5 times 40 minus 10. The second one is 5 plus 40 minus 10. The third option is 5 times 40 minus 10 in parentheses. The last one is 5 plus 40 minus 10. So all these options have 40 minus 10, which is the 10 less than 40 part. And now we have 5 times greater. So 5 times greater means that it's multiplication. So we can get rid of number 2 and number 4. But now you have to get 5 times greater than 10 less than 40. So that means that it's 5 times greater than this. So we put that in parentheses, and that means that the answer is 3. So we can try solving it first again. So 5 times greater than 10 less than 3. So 10 less than 40. So 10 less than 40 is equal to 30. So 5 times 30, that's 150. And we can check number 3. 40 minus 10 is also 30. And 5 times 30 equals 150. So 3 is the correct answer. And lastly, let's try to create an expression that shows this. So 10 greater than the square of the sum of 2 and 3. 10 greater than the square of the sum of 2 and 3. Okay, so first we have to find the sum of 2 and 3. Like the previous problem, we have to square that, and then now we have to add 10 to that. So first, like the other problem, we have to put the plus 2 and 3 in parentheses, since that's the beginning part. And then now it's the square of this sum. And square, we know, means exponent. That's 2. And then 10 greater than that, it's not 10 times greater like before. So we just do plus 10, which is the correct answer. And if we want to solve this, we can just do 5 squared plus 10, just 25 plus 10, or 35, which is the correct answer. So this equation is correct.